welcome back to another vlog. We are here at Riverfront Garden Resort in Maragondon, Cavite. So this place is very Instagrammable. I know some of you nakita na to social media, but today we're gonna see it in person if it's worth it. Let's start the tour. Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh my gosh, I can say that this place is very relaxing because entrance pa lang makikita mo na may mga random beds, sofa, with a throw pillow, so you can rest anywhere. So, again. What's in here? So, this is just a chair, and look at that. My mind and find. This is cute. Look at that. I think this one is for taking photos lang. Kasi they have a room na parang ganito yung style. Glamping style. Pero later, I will show you that. Yep. We're done taking photos dito sa swing. Guys, they have a lot like yung mga spots we're in Bali inspired. So when you go here, entrance fee is very sulit kasi you can take a lot of beautiful photo. It's like you've been in Bali. Ganda. Another Instagrammable spot. This one is a bed swing. So, ayan, pwede kang pumunta dyan to take photo, also to relax. Kanina nag-take photos na kami dito, guys. Follow me on Instagram so you can see yung mga photos natin. Look, there's a boat! So, yes, yung background ninyo is the river. River dito. So basically, sa lahat ng photos ninyo, halos ito yung backdrop. So, alam mo yun, very nature, and this is a place where you can relax. So if you love nature, must go place here. Look at that! Yung nest, guys, oh, may ladder, and then pwede ka mag-take photos doon. Pero mushroom shape, very Bali yung style niya. So ayan, ang ganda. Hey, mirror shot dahil may parang old cabinet lang here, random. Oh, we're going here sa may river. So there's a place here also that you can chill sa may river area. Look at that. Grabe, sobrang refreshing, guys. If you love nature, grabe, may enjoy nyo to, sobra. So this area is for check-in guests only. So they have different rooms like this one. This is the superior room. So basically, may malaki dyan na bed. Pero guys, look at that. May table and chair at the back para makapag-chill ka. And also, they have this glamping style. na merong fan and merong AC. Hanggang dun yan. Ang dami. No Wi-Fi, so pretend it's 1995. So there's no Wi-Fi, but may signal naman yung Smart and Globe. Merry Christmas! This is the restaurant. So, ayan, may swing ulit. So, habang kumakain ka and chill, also, andun sa loob yung menu where you can check. Pero if you're staying sa mga cabana, pwede nilang ihatid yun sa inyo.
At saka yellow, ha?
Okay po.
So, here's the menu if you guys planning to buy lunch here or breakfast, snacks. We got sinigang. We're gonna have lunch here. Cabana and open hot cottages. So, as you can see, may mga umbrella dyan and some cottages there. You can rent that one if you're staying here for day tour. Hey guys! Meet my friend. She's my classmate, elementary and
High school.
First year. Ang tagal na namin gusto magkita. Dito pa kami nagkita.
Oh my gosh.
Follow her sa kanyang social media account.
Yeah.
Nag-vlog din siya.
Yeah, but it's all about books. So,
Yeah.
bigay ko lang sa yung links ko.
Yes.
But yeah.
Thank you!